kumbalong hadu menta kesngi ba kadi kesngi khatduh ban ailat ban thep kyrteng na kabenta ki kyrtong ki batmu ban aireng ha kani ke election araja arpulai na ki constituency ha ke jela bat Ri Bhoi district ha kani kesngi ba khatduh ki ladon saungut ki bathep kyrteng ban pentikna ba ki dei ki taki kyrtong ban aireng ha kani ke election araja arpulai na ki constituency ki badon Ri Bhoi kini ki saungut ki kyrtong bala pendep banthep kyrteng haduk mentakas ngi ki kentup ya ke kyrtong ke BJP na jirang constituency ke Ria Sangma uba ali bare kyrtong shimet na jirang ka serimina marak kyrtong ka Republican Party of India na jirang bat uba bismo ingti kumu kyrtong shimet na nongpo constituency haba khain ke lum nabaro ki santli ki constituency Ri Bhoi ki kyrtong balawan banthep kyrteng ki lapoi haduk lai pesan ngut bat kinsai aireng hagani ki election na ki constituency ka Ri Bhoi ka baki mi kmat ban lit pan jing kersan na ki paitba
long di talat yang aban pensai ba ha ka por bang apoi yo ka jingtep ba ka tiket kal ka tempoi sanga wat la ni la treshi tong la asnem pembang batai mentan ila pendaplut ya ki kendon jong ka parti kumbakala ha nadu usnam arajar khat ndai ni stang mentre po jirang limba ka parti ti kajian okumno ba ha ka por bang yo kata ka jingtep ba ka tiket kampoi sanga Henry dang mi su kata ka support na po ka snong jirang kindang ai mensim su yang ni bangin trei hamba su bangin wanra ya kata ka thong banjok tinga ngets hem ba mentang asno lat lut ba ban trei pum uta kortom simet bangan yo ban wanra da ka papura pat ka papaka ya kata ka roy kapar apo konstitusi jirang lengo lor ba ni la de trei stom borok sikap tu la kumba arsnem tam ka jing penduk tiket jong ka parti BJP yang ya kata pin hapeli lese naki ba penyat ya ka parti pin kham ai kata ka jing jubab ka kham syai de wat la kata ka jing penduk tiket jong ka parti yang kalong ru siliang ka jing kerhu ba ya ka tiket borok sikap tu ngaap na kaliang ka parti ngala tre hiru ya kata ka tiket tangba ngayok penban ka tiket napok jirang bagi pat inong kersan di bahing basam jong ilok ki layat teli lang sisur sidur ban ai ka jing kersan ba ngadei ban yopun baik na kasnom jirang namar ba ni layat kapto ba ni layu iru ya kita kicing tuna di bafer keleng kisnong ka thang jong jirang ki ngakermen ba da ka jing kersan jong pi ning poi sa ka thong banjok
cái thông cái bằng mặt mà thì quả bằng lệ nằm tại jirang sih.
Lada ni haidien syaki di bang ala UI bat saki dak hikmat la jong kalong ba ka jirang constituency tam ba ka de border constituency bat ka Assam ni dei ban UI kita kinong hikmat ti ba khamshai le se ban protect dia kata ka put usam ke jong jela ke jong ni kemenhalia artat de simultaneously ni dei ban pentre shitom ya ki scheme ki bala manghin ka central government bat ka state lingba ka MLA scheme ba ninyo ya kata ka surak mo ba man ka constituency ka ba nongtong san yeno ka constituency ru ka de ka surak ko ulong bodlo jong borok ka snong ka tha di kata de ka wai ka surak ka ba ar kalong ka jing puli jing puthi jong na school di baret nang ban cultivate ya ka education policy ka ba khamba ko ka jirang ba upskilling of various students ki badon interest let's say ka woodwork ka carpentry mechanics the ka ba lie and the most important kari ka ya ki nong rap ba ki central scheme kum ka PM kisan nidhi ka bala wan na for central government ya ka to ka scheme ki de penya chachai banyo ji mentoi kita ki nong rap ki prepare for jirang constituency ngan su pedau hang ni nuksa ibarat apo Dubai pin lap wei orange kumbang tip ni but Mandarin tin hareng original name ulong ba orange ba mi lani so nyam tra ba mi na po jirang kide po Dubai mall lulu mall badur kadon kawai ka media outlet balai sondore hato ba utau so ude so ba mi na po jirang Henry ya utau so kajing mentoy kamyo poi support jirang ya kinong rap ya utau so what yung yang rendiaru na ha kata kini paro ide kimat ki bangabo hak matam ban penpau no ya kasnong jirang ya ka jing tres tom jung kita kinong rap bo constituency paro ko
We from BJP party, we want development in Meghalaya. So whatever Modi has given to the public, the schemes, we have make sure that public will get.
So what is the main agenda that you want to bring a change in Jirang constituency?
Definitely development.
Development.
Okay, and then now, right now, today only, that Ri Bhoi has just filed his nomination as independent candidate. He was supposed to get a ticket from BJP, and then he also said that most of the supporter of the BJP has left and support him. What's your
Opinion?
I don't want to comment on this right now. Sorry.
It is alleged by the leaders of the BJP, ex-leader BJP from Jirang BJP Mandal. They said that you are not belong to Meghalaya, you are from the Assam, and the constituency that you're going to contest is a ST constituency. What do you have to say on this?
अरे भाई मेरे पास सारा डॉक्यूमेंट्स है आई कैन शो यू ऑल ठीक है ना तो इस चीज को मुद्दा मत उठाइए
protect the border issue. I have been fighting for that regarding the MOU, and I want to fight for the border area people, and I want to settle it in a nice way. And those who are not willing to give to the Assam, I want to stand with them.
how confident you are to win?
People will vote me because if they know my value, because I'm fighting for the people, I'm fighting for the society, so I confident, and people will vote me and people will support me. Think maybe UDP or I think so, or maybe NPP because they are very rich. I'm the forest candidate among the contestant, but I hope this time people will vote for the value, not for the money.
Since you are the woman who are
I will still stand for that. I will still stand, and it should be it should be revoked, or government should go according to public's will. They should not force. Will of the public should be listened by the government.